Hello, this is Morris Hall, room 175, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how the audio-video system works in here. The first thing we're going to notice is that this is a mobile cart, and so you can position it where you are comfortable with it, and then we're going to make sure that the network cable and the power cable are plugged into the wall and that the cables are out of your way so they're not tripping on them. And then over here on the left-hand side of the console is a power switch, and we're going to make sure that power switch is in the up position so that the cart can have power. The next thing that we'll notice is that the projector is located right here on the top of the console. In order to power the projector on, I'm simply going to hit the power button one time. That will power on the projector. We'll know that the projector is ready to go. It takes about a minute to warm up when this flashing green light becomes a solid green. So while the projector is powering up, I'm going to go ahead and log on to the computer. It's very simple to do. The username and password are located right here on the screen. The username is mobile, and the password is Eagle, all lowercase, E-A-G-L-E. And so I'll type those in and click OK, and that's going to log us onto the computer. The next thing we're going to want to work on is how to get the different sources to be sent to the screen. The computer is plugged into input labeled computer 1 on this projector, so if you do not see the PC come up, go ahead and hit that computer button again until you do see it. It will go back and forth between computer 1 and computer 2, and computer 1 is the PC. The document camera is located on the left of the teacher station here. The power is in the front left. I'll go ahead and power it on. These green lights will cycle through as it's booting up, and when it becomes a solid green, we'll know the document camera is ready to go. Your advanced features are here in the front, like zoom and focus. And once the document camera is ready to go, we're going to use that computer button on the top of the projector one more time. Computer 1 is the PC. Computer 2 then is the document camera. And so once we do that, anything we do on the document camera is going to show up on the screen. There's a DVD VCR located here, right underneath the document camera. If you have a VHS tape, put it in on the left-hand side. A DVD is on the right-hand side. Then this button labeled VCR DVD will switch back and forth between the two modes. You can use the front panel or the remote control to control it. And then we'll hit the video button in order to show the video up on the screen. And now if I want to adjust that audio there, it sounds a little bit low to me. I'm going to come down here to the mixer. It's right underneath the keyboard tray, and I'm just going to turn it the output button to the right or to the left to adjust the audio to the level I want. Now since we are using a mixer system like this, all your different audio sources are all coming into the mixer, and so you'll be able to hear them all at the same time. So if you have a video going on the PC and your DVD is going, both of those sounds are going to mix together. So you want to make sure and only have one audio source going at a time and use that output control to adjust the level. The last thing we'll go through here is how to hook up a laptop computer. What we're going to do is we're going to locate the loose VGA cable that's attached to the back of the document camera, and I'm going to plug it in to the video card on my laptop. Then I'm going to go back to the top of the projector, and I'm going to hit the computer button until computer 2 is selected, just like for the document camera. And then we should see the document camera up on the screen, and we do. And then in order to switch it from the document camera to the laptop, I'm going to hit this button here labeled INT EXT. INT standing for the internal camera of the document camera. EXT standing for external, or an external device. Right now no sync is coming up on the screen, which means that I haven't told my laptop that I have an external projector connected to it. So the way I'm going to do that is to hold down the function key and press the F8 key on my keyboard. And you notice my computer flashed there for a second. That was just the way my computer was telling me it was changing modes. And now I have the correct mode where I'm duplicating what's on my computer with what's on the screen. When I'm all done with whatever it is I'm going to do, I'm going to come over to the projector, and I'm going to hit the power button, and it's going to give me a little message saying, are you sure you want the power off? And I'll press that power button one more time, and that'll power it down. And that's important so that we save the life of the projector bulb in the projector. Here on the desk is a written version of what I've just told you in the video, and in the upper right-hand corner are the names and phone numbers of the Academic Technology Services staff. If you ever need help during a class or ever have questions of any kind, please give us a call.